Yo, welcome to the first trade recap. Sorry about the background noise. My fireplace is on and it's like effing with the mic settings, but whatever. Today we got absolutely crushed by NQ. I didn't trade at all last week, so this is my first week back. And I took a sloppy trade, didn't really look at confluences, and just kind of entered willy nilly. But yeah, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so this was the trade I took. As you can see, I got absolutely crushed. Like literally the second I top ticked my stop loss. So going into the bias though for today, we had news at 8, so I was kind of waiting for that. And the bias for today, London manipulated to the upside, but I didn't really pay attention to that because I was kind of a dumbass. But what I was looking at was this fat high time frame SMT right here. As you can see on ES, we came down. So on NQ, we were leading with a fat SMT. And then, so coming in to market open, I was thinking that we wanted to be bullish for some reason, even though London manipulated this buy side right here. And so market opened and we instantly shat. And for some reason, so ES shat a lot more down to these like London lows. And meanwhile, NQ was kind of hovering above here. And we got on this candle at 8:05, we got a fat SMT. And that is what I took the trade off of. That's why I thought we were going to go higher, even though we manipulated London up here, shat, and got absolutely no manipulation. And then scaling into the 1 minute, we had, so it came down, it created this SMT around here, and then I saw this gap get inversed, and then we kind of had not really BPR, but I don't know why I was thinking that, and we just ripped through this. And for some reason I entered up here on this candle when it was bullish, because I marked the 5 minute and I marked the 5 minute here, and I guess we did break 5 minute structure over here on the 1 minute, but I don't even know what I was taking this trade off of. But we came up here and we were up here above this 5 minute break of structure, and I didn't wait for the candle to close. So I entered for some reason off this inverse gap and the break, thinking we were gonna hit previous day highs. And then as you can see, we ended up just getting stomped out, which honestly makes sense now that I look back at it. I should have waited at least for a retrace into this gap if we were gonna go higher, and maybe some more confluences out of there, because I missed this London manipulation coming down. If anything, I should have shorted after this inverse gap got filled and we got this small, very small manipulation leg up on both of these, and then inverse this gap, and I should have shorted and maybe targeted London lows. But if anything, probably should have been no trade today. My bias got clouded by this super high time frame SMT. Yeah, that's that. Hopefully we have a better day tomorrow. I'll definitely be more careful. I journaled my trade. Yeah, see y'all tomorrow.